Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed vertical addition. In this video we will learn estimation of the numbers. Today our topic is estimation of numbers. Estimation is the method to get a nearly correct answer. I repeat, estimation is a method to get a nearly correct answer. This nearly correct answer is not an exact answer. In real life, there can be situations when the exact number cannot be counted or measured, or the number keeps on changing. Let's take examples. The exact number cannot be counted or measured. Can you tell me any example? Let me tell you. The amount of water in a lake, or the total number of bricks used in building a house, cannot be counted. We cannot measure exact amount of water in a lake, or we cannot count total number of bricks used in building a house. So we use estimation here. The number keeps on changing. For example, the number of people watching a match, or the number of amount of water flowing below a bridge. It keeps on changing. It never remains same. Hence, we can say that estimation helps us to make the numbers friendly and workable. Consider the example 46,081 and the second number is 53,753. Both these numbers have 10,000 at the highest place value. Therefore, we round off the given numbers to the nearest thousand. To round off the numbers to the nearest thousand, we will see the digit in hundreds place. That is 0, and 0 is less than 5. So, we will round this number as 46,000. I repeat, we will round it off as 46,000. In the second number, if we see that 53,753, the digit in hundreds place is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So we will round it off to the next thousand. Here it comes 54,000. In this chart, we will write 46,000 and 54,000. We use this symbol to show the addition. First of all, we will add units. In units column there is 0. In 0 we have to add 0. If we add 0 in 0, what it comes? Yes? It comes 0. After the addition of units, we will move towards the tens. In tens, we can see that there is also 0 in both the numbers. So in 0, if we add 0, it comes 0. After the addition of tens, we will move towards the hundreds. In hundreds, there is also 0 in both the numbers. So if we add 0 and 0, we get 0 here. Now we will move towards the next column. We will add thousands. In thousand, if we see that there is 6 and 4, we will add 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will add 4 in it. 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it comes 10. We write 0 in thousands column and we will carry forward 1 to the 10,000s. After the addition of 1000, we will add 10,000s. 1, 4, and 5. 1 in 1 we will add 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. We will add 5 in it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here it comes 10. We write 0 in 10,000s column and we will carry forward 1 to the 100,000s. But there is nothing to add in 100,000. So we will write this one as it is in 100,000s. Before working for the accurate or exact answer, we know that the answer should be nearly equals to 100,000. We can find a nearly correct answer easily. We can check the accurate answer. Now we will add 46,081 and 53,753. We start from units. In units there is 1 and 3. We will add 1 and 3. 1, we will add 3 in it. 2, 3, 4. We will write 4 in the units column. After the addition of units, we will add tens. In tens column there is 8 and 5. Now we will add 8 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 we will add 5. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we write 3 in tens column and we will carry forward 1 to the hundreds. After the addition of tens, we will add hundreds. 1, 0 and 7. 1, as 0 mean nothing, so we will add 7 in it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will write 8 in hundreds column. After the addition of hundreds, we will add thousands. In thousand there is 6 and 3. Now add 6 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 we will add 3. 7, 8, 9. Here it comes 9 in the thousands column. After the addition of thousand, we will add 10,000s. In 10,000s, there is 4 and 5. Now add 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4, we will add 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it comes 9 in the 10,000s column. As estimated answer is 100,000. The accurate answer is 99,834. So our accurate answer, that is 99,834, is nearly equals to 100,000. That is our estimated answer. In this video we have discussed estimation. In the next video we will learn estimation of 6-digit numbers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.